Today we're here at the World Ag Show. There's about 100,000 people in 70 different countries. And we were invited as a partnership with SoCalGas due to the volume of projects that we have and a few RD&D initiatives that we're working on them with.
Partnerships like this with BSD are very important because you're able to get with people that understand certain technology that people need.
The BSD SSC Microgrid was created to solve a unique problem that exists in the healthcare community. One of our clients had reached out to us when the wildfires happened. They weren't in close proximity to fires, but they were shut down because the grid was shut down. They only had 6 hours of backup fuel and ran out of that fairly quickly. They were shut down for days, sometimes weeks, and had to evacuate the facilities. So we were tasked with coming up with a solution to prevent this from happening in the future.
One of the reasons is because it is filling a requirement, which is a state legislation, AB 2511, which was signed by Governor Newsom, which is requiring skilled healthcare facilities to install these units.
Originally, we were focused completely on healthcare, but as we've progressed through this process, we've learned that there's many other facilities that can use this technology. The BSD SSC Microgrid system consists of three main components. The natural gas fired engine that can also be run on 6 or 7 other different fuels, including hydrogen. The second component is the microgrid controller, which is the brain for the system. The third component is the fuel storage system, which allows the engine to run for an additional 96 hours in the event the utility goes down and the natural gas is shut off.
So it creates 100% of the power for a facility, as well as captures all the thermal energy and turns into hot water, cold storage, or steam for that facility.
And we wanted to display and showcase one of the cool features that we have, which is our remote functionality, where we can actually tie into our engine screen, and we're able to control, start, stop, monitor, and troubleshoot all remotely for any of our customers.
A gas storage system in conjunction with the BSD system. It is the backup fuel storage. It's a Type 4 cylinder that we manufacture. It's our proprietary technology. It's packaged in a vertical setup. It's an 11-foot long cylinder, 48-inch diameter. It's a carbon fiber wrap cylinder, so it's the lightest, cost-effective way to store natural gas.
This is a very unique system which will actively monitor the gas pressure via these sensors, and if one of them drops out, it's going to completely disconnect and switch over to the other gas stream.
Municipalities are catching on to the idea because, again, a battery farm will not be able to provide you 72 hours for 4 days or 96 hours of backup power, and BSD is providing that.
The need for electricity is growing exponentially, and production cannot keep up with demand. The BSD SSC Microgrid checks that box.